Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure iOS is updated and focus modes are off so alarms behave predictably. Once done, open Settings and tap Sounds and Haptics. This is where system volume controls live. You need to understand that the ringer and alert slider controls alarm volume, so increasing it raises alarm loudness across the clock app. Make sure Change with Buttons is off if you want a fixed alarm volume. Otherwise, physical buttons will alter this slider. Now go into the clock app and edit the alarm you want louder. You should pick a tone with high perceived loudness. Options like alarm, radar, or a high-gain song work best, because some tones sound quieter even at full volume. Once you select sound, return to Settings, Sounds, and Haptics and set ringer and alerts near max. Then test. Set a short timer or use the alarm preview to verify perceived loudness. If it's still low, continue to the next step. Finish by confirming the silent/ring switch position. Alarms will ring regardless, but other sound behaviors can confuse you. If volume remains inconsistent, toggle Change with Buttons, reboot the iPhone, and test again. Simple restarts fix many audio routing glitches. If problems persist, reset all settings under General Transfer or Reset to remove configuration issues, then retest. As a last resort, clean speaker grills or contact Apple support, because hardware faults or clogged.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.